Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you are all safe at home. Welcome to the today's maths class. We're going to start a new concept that is practical geometry. This is we need to construct a quadrilateral of given measurements. Already you have learned how to draw a triangle in previous classes. So to draw a triangle or to construct a triangle, we required three measurements to draw a unique triangle. So three measurements are required to draw a unique triangle. Now, is it possible to draw any closed figure with four given measurements or five given measurements like quadrilateral? So is it enough to draw or construct a quadrilateral of given four measurements, right, or five measurements? Let us discuss today how to construct a quadrilateral of given measurements. So how many measurements are required to construct a quadrilateral? So what is mean by quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a simple closed figure with four line segments. And a quadrilateral has four vertices, four sides, and as well as two diagonals. Okay? Right. Constructing a quadrilateral. So what are the requirements or what are the conditions to draw or to construct a quadrilateral? Let us discuss. So now see, we shall learn how to construct a unique quadrilateral given the following measurements. First one is when four sides and one diagonal are given. Second condition is when two diagonals and three sides are given. A third one is when two adjacent sides and three angles are given. A fourth one is when three sides and two included angles are given. Last fifth one is when other special properties are known. Right? So these are the main five conditions to construct a quadrilateral. So now let us discuss how to construct a quadrilateral when the lengths of four sides and a diagonal are given. Okay, so four sides and one diagonal is given. How to construct a quadrilateral? Let us discuss. Right. Example 1. Construct a quadrilateral PQRS where PQ is equal to 4 cm and QR is equal to 6 cm, RS is equal to 5 cm, PS is equal to 5.5 cm and PR is equal to 7 centimeters. So by using the given these measurements, we are going to construct a quadrilateral. Right, children? Right. Example 1. So we need to construct a quadrilateral PQRS. The given measurements are PQ equal to 4 cm, QR is equal to 6 cm, RS equal to 5 cm, PS equal to 5.5 cm and PR equal to 7 cm. So you are all ready with a scale and compass. Okay. By using ruler or scale and as well as compasses, we are going to construct this quadrilateral. So before going to construct a quadrilateral, we need to draw a rough sketch. Okay. Rough sketch means PQRS, the given measurements and as well as one diagonal is given. So rough sketch means without measurement, you just construct a quadrilateral. Right, children, let us see a rough sketch. I am going to construct a rough sketch here. Okay. Rough diagram. So with normal measurements, so don't use whatever the given exact measurements. So without using exact measurements, we are going to draw a quadrilateral. Okay. Before going to construct any construction, you need to draw a rough sketch is compulsory. We will get idea where is P, where is Q, where is R, where is S. So what is the diagonal here? So this is a construction. So here P, this is Q, this is R, and this is S. It will follow a particular order, either P, Q, R, S, or it is a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, right? So you need to write the measurements. PQ they given 4 centimeter, okay. QR is 6 centimeter, right? And PS is 5.5 centimeter, and SR is 5 centimeter, and PR is 7 centimeter. So by using these measurements, we are going to construct a quadrilateral, right, children? Right. So here step 1, children, by using this rough sketch, first of all we need to construct a triangle PQR by triple S condition, that is side construction condition. Okay, so to draw a triangle PQR, first of all you need to draw PR. Okay, PR is a diagonal, so we need to construct a PR here. How many centimeters PR? 7 centimeters. Okay, so now I am going to construct first PR. Okay, draw in middle exactly, right, children? First of all you need to construct PR. See, I am going to construct in a new page, right, children? So first to draw 7 centimeter. Start from 0. Okay, right, start from 0. Exactly 7 centimeters. So this is the line segment PR. This is P, and here it is R. Okay, then by using compass, take a compass, you need to measure 4 centimeter on the scale. Okay, you just measure 4 centimeter on the scale, right, children? Right. After measuring 4 centimeter, this is a 4 centimeter, right? So 4 centimeter you can measure on the scale, right? So then take center as P, because PQ is 4 centimeter. From center P, you just draw an arc above the line segment PR. Okay. Then what is the QR length here? 6 centimeter. So take 6 centimeter on the scale. Take 6 centimeter on the scale. Then cut the arc by taking center as R. Cut that. So now these two arcs are intersecting at point Q here. This is the vertex Q. Okay. Now from this point you just join PQ and as well as QR. By using scale, you just join P to Q. That is 4 centimeter, and you just join QR also. Join QR also. Right. So we got a triangle PQR. Then after that, now we come to the down. We required S here. So PQR is completed. Next S is required. So PS. Next, what is the measurement of PS? 5.5. Okay. Take 5.5 on the scale, right, take center as P, cut, just draw a arc below the line segment PR. Okay, then measure the length RS 5 centimeter on the scale. Take 5 centimeter on the scale. Then by taking center as R, you just cut that arc. Okay, so now these two are intersecting at one point. Yes, this is yes. That is yes. Now join PS and as well as PR. Sorry, PS and as well as SR. You need to join PS and as well as SR. By using scale, you just join PS and as well as SR. So this is the required PQRS is a required quadrilateral of a given measurements. They given 3 sides and as well as 1 diagonal. So now you need to write the measurements here. This is 4 centimeter and this is 6 centimeters. Okay, 5 centimeter. 5.5 centimeter and the diagonal is 7 centimeter. Clear, children? This is the required construction of PQRS. They given 4 sides and as well as 1 diagonal. So after this you need to write the construction steps for this construction. Okay? Right, children? Let us start exercise 4.1. In that first question, construct the following quadrilaterals. In that third bit, parallelogram more, M-O-R-E. The name of the parallelogram is M-O-R-E. But here, if you observe the measurements they given, OR is 6 centimeter, RE is equal to 4.5 centimeter and EO is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Generally, just now we discussed to construct a quadrilateral, it is required 4 sides and as well as 1 diagonal measurements are required. But here they given only 3 are there. So what is the meaning of this one? What about OR and what about other 2 sides? So then we should know the property of parallelogram. What are the properties of parallelogram? In parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and as well as equal. In a parallelogram, the opposite sides are parallel and equal. That's why they given only 2 sides and as well as 1 diagonal is given. Okay. So first of all, what is the first step here? We need to construct or we need to draw a rough diagram. We need to draw a rough diagram. So now rough diagram we are going to draw first of all. Okay. So what is our rough diagram? You just without a measurement you just draw a parallelogram. Okay. We need to draw a parallelogram more here. This is, we know that the parallelogram will be a 4-sided closed figure. Okay. Then join the draw one diagonal. Right. This is M-O-R-E. This is a rough diagram. Okay. here OR is 6 centimeter. If OR is 6 centimeter, then ME is also 6 centimeter. Okay, RE is a 4.5 centimeter. If RE is 4.5, then OM or MO is also 4.5 centimeter. Then diagonal OE is 7.5 centimeter. So keep it in mind, in parallelogram, the diagonals are not equal. So by using these measurements, we are going to construct a parallelogram. First of all, the same process we are going to apply. First, you need to construct a triangle MOE. Okay, first I am going to construct OE. Okay, first you can draw OE diagonal. Then you can construct the ME and as well as OE. First of all, you need to draw OE. OE is equal to how much? 7.5 centimeter. Okay, draw in middle. Right? From 0, you can draw 7.5. After 7, you have one more big line is there. Okay, up to 7.5 you can draw. That is OE. This is O and this is E. OE is the diagonal 7.5 centimeter. Now by using compass, take this 4.5 centimeter. Okay, take 4.5 centimeter on the scale. So now take center as O, draw an arc above the or below, wherever you want, either above or below. Right, I am going to draw below M. Okay, right. This is 4.5 centimeter. Next, ME is equal to 6 centimeter. Right, so take 6 centimeter on the scale. Take 6 centimeter on the scale. Take center as E. Take center as E. Cut that arc. So these two are intersecting at one point M. Right? This is M. Now join MO and as well as ME. Okay. Now while joining, see this here. Exact you can join. Right? I joined MO and as well as ME. I am going to joining MO and as well as ME. So here, while joining, you need to see this. You need to stick that scale very tightly. Okay. So here ME, after joining ME, then you just draw the line. Next we need to construct R. So now to construct R, so here OR is equal to 6 centimeter. ME equal to OR. So then now from center O, draw an arc above the line segment of OE. Next, RE is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Take 4.5 centimeter on the scale. From E, take center as E, cut that arc. Okay, that is R. This is R. Now join OR and as well as RE. Join OR and RE. OR and as well as RE. So here we got M O R E in a clockwise direction. That is a parallelogram more. So here we need to write the measurements. This is 6 centimeter. Okay, this is 4.5 centimeter. The given OR and as well as RE and EO is 7.5 centimeter. Clear? So in a parallelogram, MORE, OR equal to 6 centimeter, RE is equal to 4.5 centimeter, OE equal to 7.5 centimeter. Right, children? This is a required construction. Then after that, you please write down all the construction steps, how you constructed this parallelogram MORE. Right, children? I hope you understood that how to construct a quadrilateral. Right? So to construct a quadrilateral, minimum 3 sides and 1 diagonal is required. Okay, that is the first condition. Or 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. Okay, and as well as 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. When 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given, and when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. So whenever if you want to construct a quadrilateral, these are the 4 main conditions are required. Means these measurements are required to construct a quadrilateral. Right? So today's homework is in exercise 4.1 question number 1, 1, 2, 4. These 3 construction you need to complete. Page number 60. Thank you, children. Have a great day.